Yeah, sorry guys, I am bit late today. Okay, so try to understand. Okay, I plan to take this session at exactly 7:45. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry guys, Ganesh Krishnaya, welcome to the stream and thank you so much Ganesh Krishnaya visiting to our channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, so let's get started then. Okay, so let's get started where we left it on yesterday. So let me take that document. Okay, topics to be covered, right? Yeah, okay. So topics to be covered for today is string related, okay? Completed, only programs are pending to discuss. So later we can discuss about this keyword, super keyword, exceptions and exception handling. Okay guys, if you are available, please ping me in the live chat. Please guys. Ganesh Krishnaya, are you there or not? Please let me know from the live chat and remaining people also please join the stream. So now I am going to start the session, actual session. Please guys, please respond if you are there. So please respond if you are there guys so that we can start the session then. Hi Janani Narsimhan. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Thank you so much Janani Narsimhan. Welcome to our channel Selenium Tech Automation. Yeah, I am going to start the session now. So if you are new to my channel or new to our session, so I have already completed 2 sessions for how much Java knowledge required for Selenium Automation Test Engineer. Okay, if you want you can check those sessions as well, right? So let's get started for our today session. Okay, so as we discussed on yesterday, so now I completed this string related the some basic methods and some programs I shown you. So now I am going to discuss about, okay, now I am going to discuss about the below programs what I mentioned on yesterday session. Okay, so these sessions, these questions, these programs now I am going to show you, right? So these programs I am going to show you now. Okay, so first we will discuss about how to reverse a string with the help of string buffer and string builder. So sorry for delaying guys, actually I plan to start our session at exactly 7:45 p.m. So due to my work I did not make it properly, so that's why it got some delayed. Sorry for that extremely. Okay, so sometimes it will happen. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to reverse a string with the help of string buffer classes and string builder class. Okay, okay, give me a moment. Okay, so now what's the question? How to reverse a string with the help of what? String builder and string buffer, right? Okay, so nothing is there. There are 2 classes which are available. That is one class is string buffer and one class is string builder. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the confirmation, Janani Narsimhan. Thank you so much. Okay, so by using of string buffer and string builder, I want to reverse the string, right? So that is our first program. Okay, it is very simple. It is very simple. With the help of string buffer class, we are going to call one method that is called as reverse method. Okay, so it is very simple method. So for that also I need to tell you about string buffer and string builder. Okay, it will take some time, but I will show you the program how we can return for all these programs. Okay, these are very important interview questions, okay, during your interview, right? So first let me open our Eclipse. So here I have already mentioned, right? So let me remove all this. This is a simple program, no need to worry. So we can just call it like string buffer is there. With the help of string buffer, first I will show, later I will show with the help of string builder. I will we can reverse a string, right? So here we are going to create an object reference with the help of string buffer class. Okay, string buffer class, you can see here we are going to take this string because we are going to reverse a string, right, with the help of string buffer. So that's why we need to take it where it is accepting one parameter called as string str. Okay, so it will reverse the specified string. Okay, it will reverse the specified string that is called as Selenium. Okay, that is called as Selenium, I mentioned here. So then what we can do with the help of sysO statement, I can directly print the reverse. Okay, I will just write some reverse of string is. Okay, reverse of given string is. Okay, given string is, then use some reverse method here, right? Use a reverse method, that is sb dot reverse. Okay, it is a simple one. So later I will discuss about the big programs, okay, where it is required some logical program, okay, the reverse string, right? So let me execute this one. Okay, as you can see here, you are getting the console output, right? Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string with the help of string buffer class. Okay, so later in the same program, now I will show you the same program how we can reverse a string with the help of string builder class. Okay, so for this program I just want to discuss about string buffer and string builder, but there was we don't have enough time to discuss. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm skipping now this string buffer and string builder concept here. Okay, so I'm just telling you how we can reverse a string with the help of string buffer class and string builder classes. Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string with the help of these two classes, that is string buffer and string builder. Okay, so here you can mention that is sb2, right? Sb2, here you can mention some tech. Okay, tech. So now let me execute this program. This is very simple program. Okay, here you can see it is reversing the given string with the help of string buffer and string builder. This is how we can reverse a string with the help of these two classes. Okay, so now what is our next program? Okay, what is our next program here? So that is without using string built-in methods, how to reverse a string. Okay, without using any string built-in methods such as reverse method or using a for loop. Okay, how we can reverse a string, I will just show you. Okay, without using string built-in methods, right, how to reverse a string. Guys, are you there? If you have any questions, so please let me know from the live chat, guys. These are very important program questions for your interviews. Okay, please note it down if you want. Okay, we completed the above one. So now we are going to discuss about without using string built-in methods such as, okay, such as which one, reverse method, and also without using any for loop, how we are going to reverse a string, we will see. Okay, for this question, right? So this is one program, and let me take one more where it is coming from. Let me check. This is under programs class, right? Okay, let me create one more class here, reverse. Okay, reverse a string, okay, which is having public static void main method, and here I am going to write the actual code for that particular question. Okay, reverse a string without using any built-in methods. Okay, how we can write, we will see here. Okay, so for this, first I need to take some variable here of data type string, so that variable I can initiate here as original. Okay, so that you can easily understand. Here the original string here is Selenium. Okay, so Selenium, and also I will take one more variable that is called as reverse, which is an empty variable. Okay, which is an empty variable. So I initialized here two variables of data type string. So it is not a data type at all, we have already discussed. This string is a class, it will accept any kind of data type, so that's why we are going to call this as class. Okay, so now we have initialized two variables of type string. So now I am going to first, if I want to reverse this particular string means first what I need to do, I need to get the length of this particular string. Okay, how we can get this length we have already discussed, right? So we have already discussed, that is int. Okay, that length which is giving you the data type of integer value, whether it is 5 or 6 or 4. Okay, that will be like integer of data type, right? Integer data type. So for that I am initializing one int data type variable here. So once that is done, with the help of this string that is original, I am going to take the length. Okay, with the help of length method. Okay, with the help of length method I am going to get that particular string length, right? So that is our first step here. Okay, this is our first step while reversing a string without using any inbuilt method from the string concept. Okay, so in that, this is the first step. First we need to get the length of the given string. Okay, how we can get? With the help of length method only. Okay, and it will return you the data type of integer. Okay, that's why I am using here integer data type. Okay, so after this I am going to use one for loop here. Okay, for loop I am going to use. After that for loop I am going to use here, one second, for. Okay, for. So here int, I am going to initialize one more variable that is called as int I equals to. So whatever the value we are getting and storing into this particular length, okay, that much length I am going to iterate here. For that reason I am using here length. Okay, the string called length minus 1. Okay, length minus y means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, if I use length minus 1 means it will give me the 6. Okay, so here we have 8, right? We have 8. The length of this given string is 8. Okay, so how it will iterate means with the help of minus 1 we can easily iterate like one by one from ending m. Okay, that is the ending index value of Selenium is this one. Okay, which will starts from m. So that's why I am using here length minus 1. So once that is done, I am going to mention some incrementation here. After this, I greater than or equals to 0. If I value, whatever I am getting, if this I value is greater than or equals to 0, okay, if this I value is greater than or equals to 0, what I am going to do now? I am going to use this string here, reverse equals to reverse. Okay, anyway we have here one empty. Okay, this reverse is holding one empty string that is called as double quotes. Okay, if you are not mentioning here means that is called as an empty string. Okay, so that empty string I am taking here and concatenating with this original string. Okay, and concatenating with this original string at so I want to find out the index value, right? So how we can get a specified character from the given string means we have to use one method called as caret of. Okay, caret of, what is our, from where is our I value starting, that is length minus 1. Length here original dot length, what is original here, which is storing Selenium string. Okay, caret of I. So once this is done, you can see reverse concatenating original dot caret of I. So anyway, okay, anyway we are getting the length of this original from here. So then I am providing here the length minus 1. Okay, so then what it will do, whatever the length you are getting here, we are decrementing by 1. Okay, once this step is completed, I am going to mention here if whatever the value I got it here, the index value which is greater than 0. If that is the case, go inside our for loop and store this entire value into some reverse variable here. Okay, so anyway this reverse is empty here, concatenating with original. What is our original here? That is Selenium dot caret of I. Okay, get dot caret of I. I value is whatever we are getting. Suppose we are getting 8 means that will store and comes and store into this particular integer data type variable, and we are going to get that particular index value, that is 8. If for example here in this case 3 6 7 8, 8 is m. Okay, that m will store here. Once this is done, again it will go it will increment by 1. That for loop will increment by, decrement by -1. Okay, again what it will do, it will doing some minus, right? Again it will come here. Now I value is what, 7, right? Again it will come here and again it will do some length -1. Again it will come to here, and next time where it will go, it will go to here, u. So likewise it will keep on continue until unless this condition is going to be fail, then it will come outside. Okay, so here this is our first step, right? So then here this length -1 is the second step. Sorry, okay, let me mention here, length -1 is our second step. Okay, length -1 is our second step, right? Yeah, second step is length -1. Okay, so we need to decrement by 1 here, whatever the length you are getting. Okay, so then we are going to mention here, if the getting value is greater than 0, if we get here the 7 or 8 is greater than or equals to 0, then it will come inside the for loop. So then it will start taking this variable where we mentioned the string as empty. Then it is going to concatenate original dot caret of I. Original is here what? Original is Selenium. Okay, dot caret of I. I means what? Okay, whatever the length -1 you are getting, that will come and store into here. The index value will store here I. Okay, caret of 8, it will take this m. Again it will go to this I -1. I -1 means what is our length here? It will do some -1. Again that I will become to the 8 -1, 7, and caret of 7, what is here? Okay, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you will come and store here. So likewise until unless this s, okay, until this s, it will keep on iterating. Once if this I minus will become false, then that for loop will end over there. Okay, so this is how this step will continue. Okay, so next, what is our third step here? What is our third step? That is I greater than or equals to 0. I greater than or equals to 0 is our third step. Okay, once that is done, our fourth step here is this line. Fourth step is, okay, this one. Okay, fourth step. So once this is also done, I minus will be the fifth step. Okay, I minus will be the fifth step. I minus will be the fifth step. Right? Are you getting my point here, guys? Please let me know from the live chat if you are watching my live stream. Okay, this is how we can reverse a string without using any string built-in method. If you can observe here, I am not using any string built-in method such as reverse method as well as string buffer or string builder or anything. So I am just using one for loop here. That too, inside this for loop, I am taking this entire length of this given string, and then I am decrementing by -1 here. So once this is done, it will come inside. Okay, so once this line is satisfied, again this for loop will go to this decrementing by 1. Whatever the index value is storing here, it will decremented by 1. So likewise it will keep on continue. Okay, so now let me execute this program. We will see whether we are getting the reverse string or not. Okay, reverse of string is what we need to concatenate that particular reverse. Okay, the entire result is going to store it into this particular reverse string variable. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, here you can see, okay, here you can see it is printing like this. Okay, first it is printing m, next it is printing mu, next it is printing MUI, next it is printing 1 by 1. So likewise it will keep on printing you here. Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string here. Okay, this is how we can print our reverse string here. So let me remove this ln. We will see now. Okay, now you can see, yeah, it is giving in the same line. Okay, it is giving the same line, no problem. This is how we can reverse a string. Accordingly you can change your SISO statement, whatever I am mentioning here. Okay, So accordingly you can change your SISO statement, which one is the correct one, right? So is it clear guys how to reverse a string? Is that clear for everyone how to reverse a string? In this way we can reverse a string without using any inbuilt method from the string concept. Okay, any questions guys? Please let me know from the live chat, please guys. Okay, why? Because it is printing here means, why it is printing here means, maybe I have modified something here, so that's the reason why. So let me write down this after for loop. Okay, okay, so now we will get proper output here in the console. You can see, because this SISO statement I written inside the for loop, what does it will do? For each and every iteration this SISO statement will keep on printing, right? So you can see here, yeah, this will print like a star pattern. Okay, so this is our actual reversing a string, but before these lines and all I am using the SISO statement inside our for loop, so that's why we are getting this many times the output inside our console. Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string without using any inbuilt methods. Yeah, right, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much Narasimhan for being in the live chat. Okay, so now we will discuss about one more question, that is how to find a given string is palindrome or not, right? That is our next question, I guess. Okay, we will discuss about using a for loop we can reverse a string. Okay, the same what we discussed, okay, the same what we discussed, that will applicable for using a for loop. Okay, sorry I forget to mention here, so it is not required. Okay, this is not a valid question actually, because we are already using one for loop here, right? Okay, we are already using one for loop. Okay, with the help of for loop, how we can reverse a string without using any built-in methods? Okay, that is the question for this one, how to reverse a string without using any built-in method with the help of for loop. Okay, with the help of for loop, this question will satisfy for this answer. Okay, what we discussed just now. So then the next question here is a dynamic way. So here I am going to provide some input to the input from the keyboard. So based upon my input, my string is going to be reversed and we are going to print that inside our console. Okay, how we will do, we will discuss it now. Okay, how to reverse a string, so where it is accepting an input from the keyboard, so then it is going to print in the console part. Okay, then it is going to print in the console part. So there is nothing to modify in this particular code, so we can keep it like the same only. So whatever we mentioned here, we can keep the same here. Okay, till this part, string original equals to Selenium and reverse equals to empty. Okay, so here I am going to use some scanner class here. Okay, so here I am going to use some scanner class here. With the help of scanner class, what we can do, okay, I have already discussed about this one in our earlier session, right? Earlier session I have already discussed about the scanner class. Okay, earlier session I have already discussed about scanner class. Okay, so please respond guys from the live chat if you are there or not, so that I can get to know so whether I am understandable for you or not. Please mention the live chat. If you have any difficulties also, please mention from the live chat, so that I can discuss accordingly by interacting with you. Okay, please guys, please let me know from the live chat, please. If you have any difficulties also, please let me know from the live chat. Live chat will always be open for you. Feel free to ask me any kind of questions if you have, whether it is from Java or whether it is from Selenium or whether it is from manual. Okay, this is the place where we can interact with each other. Okay, so here what is a scanner class? Okay, before going to this concept, I just want to discuss about the scanner class here. Okay, so here at the time of designing, we are going to provide some inputs, right, or some input values, that is called as static input. Because so here now we are going to design Okay, now we are going to design some code, right? So after designing this code, based upon this code, I am going to provide some input values, okay, that is from keyboard. So for that reason only we are call it as static input. Okay, this static input we are going to provide at the time of designing. Okay, at the time of designing we are going to provide some input values, that is called as static input. That input values what we are providing, that we can call it like static input. Okay, so here, which means static input means reading the input values from the keyboard, right? Reading the input values from the keyboard also we can call as static input. Okay, static input. Okay, okay, to read the values from the keyboard, that we can call it here as static input. Okay, we can call it here as static input. Means for that reason only we are using here a class called as, okay, a class here as scanner class. Okay, we need to use this particular scanner class. Yeah, use this particular scanner class. We are going to provide some inputs from the keyboard to that particular program what we have written now. Okay, what we are going to return now. Okay, so for that let me start. Okay, for that let me start. So we are not going to make more changes here. We can use the existing one only. So here I am using one scanner class here, which is coming from the java.util package. Okay, you need to remember it is coming from java.utils package. So now I am going to create an object here. So here you can see, which one. Okay, which one. If we mention this file means we need to mention the file name, or if we in this program we are going to mention the, we are going to provide the input from keyboard, right? So that's why I'm going to select this method, which is accepting a parameter called input stream source. Okay, which is accepting a parameter called as input stream source. So here we have one system class inside our Java language. So with that you can see there is one more method, that is dot in. Okay, dot in. With the help of this dot in, where which will allow us to provide the input from the keyboard. Okay, so here dot in means, okay, here with the help of dot in, okay, we are going to provide the input to that particular program. Okay, so that's why I am using here in method. Okay, so here, so this dot in means it is not a method, sorry for that, it is not a method, it is a stream object. Okay, sorry, I need to make some correction on this one. It is not a method, it is an stream object. Dot in and dot out both are the stream objects. We don't call it as a what, methods. Okay, we don't want to call these as a methods. These are called as, what, stream objects. Okay, what does this in object will do here means, which is a default connected to the keyboard. With the help of this dot in means which will connected with the keyboard by defaultly. So that's why we are using here the dot in stream object. Okay, so whenever the user enter the any information, okay, that value can be accepting. For accepting purpose in scanner class we have so many methods here, that is next method, and also next line method, and also next float, next int, and next double. Okay, for accepting all these inputs from the user we have different methods which are provided by the scanner class. Those methods are called as next line, next int, next double, next float. Okay, these are all the different methods. So where we are going to use, where we are going to accept the input from the, that's why we are using all these methods which are available under scanner class. Okay, so now we will go to the next line of the code. So here once if I written this one, so now I am going to mention here one sysO statement. Okay, system.out.println, enter a string, to reverse. Okay, enter a string to reverse. Okay, enter a string to reverse. So here it will ask you enter a string to reverse. Okay, it will print in the console. So what we are going to do now, we are going to call this original string variable. Okay, with the help of this original string variable I am going to, okay, I am going to use this scanner class, where it is going to where line method. Okay, the method what I am using here means that is called as next line method. Okay, that is called as next line method. I have already mentioned, right? We have different methods. So where that scanner class is providing by defaultly, with the help of all these methods, that program will accept whatever the information you are providing from the console part. Okay, so what does this next line will do here? It will read the complete string values including white spaces. Okay, whatever the values you are providing, right? Okay, whatever the values you are providing, this next line will read all the string values including the white spaces also. So that's the reason why I am using here next line. Okay, that's the reason why I am using here next line. So after that everything is the same only. Okay, I just added only these two lines here, only these two lines. Okay, scanner sc equals to new scanner of system.in. So then I am printing one line here, that is enter a string to reverse. So then user can, what he will do, then user can, okay, then user can enter some input. Okay, what it is telling, okay, resource log, okay, resource leak, no problem, original equals to sc dot next line. Okay, it will, what does this next line will do here means it will reads the given string value, and also it will accept any kind of white spaces as well. Okay, which will includes the white spaces as well. Okay, that's the reason why we are using this next line. Okay, so then what I am doing, I am taking the length of the given string once user entered, right? So then it will store into original. Okay, so here I no need to mention anything here because that user is providing the some dynamic input from the keyboard, right? So that's the reason why I am not going to use this Selenium here. I removed this one. Okay, now, so now what is our next step? So now we have completed till getting the length, right? Till getting the length. So thereafter I am using the same code here. Okay, thereafter I am going to use the same code here, right? So now let me execute. We will see, enter a reverse string Selenium. You can see here Selenium tech automation and hit enter. Okay, and hit enter. It will simply reverse you the given string. Okay, it will simply reverse you the given string. Okay, so please guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel for more content and more information. So actually there is concept about scanner class, and also there is a concept of string builder and string buffer. I will discuss. Okay, I will discuss as soon as possible. Okay, this is how we can reverse a string with the help of scanner class. Okay, with the help of scanner class means it is a dynamic way. Okay, it is a dynamic way. If you can see here the output I have entered here like Selenium tech automation, it is reversing the given string like this. Okay, it is reversing the given string like this. Okay, so now if I want to reverse a string means again I will go and enter some string here. This time I will Selenium with Java and hit enter. You can see here, as we discussed, that next line will accept even spaces also. So that's the reason why it is printing spaces as well here. And if you can see this Selenium, okay, it is reversing, with is reversing, Java is reversing here. Okay, means the dynamic way which are providing as input from the keyboard, that information we can reverse with the help of which one? Scanner class. Okay, with the help of scanner class we can able to provide some input, then with the help of this for loop we are going to reversing the given string. Okay, any questions guys? Any questions here? Please let me know from the live chat. Actually today I don't have enough time. Okay, actually today I don't have enough time, so that's why I'm not able to explain it proper way. Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock. Okay, so I promised you to take the session, so that's why I came now. I will try as much as I can deliver you the content for today. Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string with the help of dynamic input from the keyboard. Okay, here dynamic input means whatever the we can keep on changing the input from here. Okay, so now if I want to execute anything, okay, any other thing, just execute and hit some enter, like Selenium with Selenium for experienced candidates or freshers, and if you hit enter, you can see Selenium for experienced candidates or freshers. Okay, this is how we can reverse a string with the help of dynamic input from the keyboard. Okay, here dot in means it is not a method, it is a stream object, so where it will accept the input from the users, that is from keyboard. Okay, so what is this next line will do here? This next line will accept the string values including white spaces as well. So then we are using the same line of code what we have discussed, that is for loop. Okay, so this is how we can reverse a string. Okay, so come on guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And now we will discuss our next program. What is our next program? That is string is palindrome or not. Okay, I want to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. I want to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, so how we can check, we will discuss now. Okay, till here, right? Till here it is one program. Okay, till here it is one program. So now I am going to show you, okay, how to verify whether the given string is palindrome or not. How to verify the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, I am going to write a program for this one now. Okay, so here also the same line of code will be applicable here. Okay, let me copy from here to here, and let me paste it after this line. Okay, till here dynamic input from keyboard. Okay, dynamic input from keyboard. Okay, dynamic input from keyboard. So now we are going to discuss how to I want to verify whether the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, we are going to write some program for that one. So here also I want to store some string into one string variable, that is called as Selenium. Okay, Selenium, and this reverse will be remains the same only. So now I am not going to use this scanner class here anymore. Okay, so instead of this, so I am going to use the same integer length equals to length minus 1. Okay, these are all the simple programs guys, so that's why I'm not taking much time for explanation here. Okay, so after that I am going to use this for loop here again. Okay, I am going to use this for loop again, the same logic. Okay, so the same logic here. So reverse plus original dot caret of I. So then I am going to print. Okay, I am going to print here after the for loop. I am going to print reverse of a string is, okay, reverse of given string is, what is that? Okay, I need to concatenate. Okay, I need to concatenate this particular reverse where it is storing the string based upon the index value what we are getting here. Okay, so next here I am going to use some if condition. Okay, so now anyway we have some value here, we have string here. If original, okay, if original dot equals of, okay, equals of, that is reverse. Okay, if original dot equals of reverse, okay, if original dot reverse equals of reverse, so then you can print SISO statement of palindrome. Okay, palindrome, right? So if not, then go to else block, then print saying that not a palindrome. Okay, it is not a palindrome. The given string is not a palindrome. Okay, so now let me execute this program and we will see whether this given string is palindrome or not. Yeah, it is telling it is not a palindrome. Okay, it is not a palindrome. Okay, we given the string here as Selenium, so then we are reversing, then we are verifying. Okay, because this reverse is getting in terms of reverse string only, then we are comparing with the original, that is Selenium. If I mention here, okay, if I mention here anything like dad, okay, how it will display, you can see here palindrome. Okay, it will print you the palindrome because this original is storing dad, and where anyway we are reversing this given string, that is dad, then we are comparing. Original is dad dad, and after reversing also it is becoming as dad only, so that's why it is printing here as it is a palindrome. Or else I can give here mom. Okay, mom. Okay, so this is how we can verify the given string is a palindrome or not. So please let me know guys, are you guys are understanding or not, or I am too fast compared to yesterday. Please let me know from the live chat. Please guys. I am losing my confidence today while explaining the things now because I don't have time to take break at least. So immediately I join for the session. Okay. So this is how we can reverse a string. If you have any other also you can mention here, no problem. That is MO, MO. We can try it here, MO, MOM, and we will execute here. Yeah, you can see it is telling palindrome. And if I say here by adding one, this one, it is not a palindrome. Okay, are you getting this concept or not? Please let me know guys. Otherwise I can explain it properly. No issues. Please guys, please let me know from the live chat, are you able to understand the program or not? Please let me know from the live chat. It's already 9:07 p.m. Very strange. Okay, yeah, let me know from the live chat guys, let me know from the live chat, are you able to understand or not? Please do let me know from the live chat. Please guys, please let me know from the live chat, are you able to understand the programs or not? Yeah, thank you so much Arvind Kumar for visiting the channel, and remaining people who are watching, please respond in the live chat. Please try to understand my uh, concern now. Okay, please guys, I am fully tired and fully occupied uh, my work today. Okay, then we can move to the next program, that is I want to find out how many vowels and digits and white spaces are in given string. Okay, I want to find out how many digits or vowels or white spaces are present in the given string. Okay, are present in the given string. Can we proceed furtherly or how it will be? Please respond in the live chat guys. Please respond in the live chat how it will be. Please respond in the live chat. So our next program will be here, string is palindrome or not, we discussed, and the last program here is I want to find out how many vowels and digits and white spaces are in a given string. Please let me know from the live chat whether we will continue, or if you have any doubts or anything, please let me know. Okay, come on guys, please let me know from the live chat. So now I am going to discuss about a program called, so where we can find, okay, how many digits or how many vowels or how many spaces are present in the given string, how we can print that in the console. Okay, how we can print that in the console. Okay, so now you can go ahead. Thank you so much for the confirmation. I don't want to waste your time and my time now. It's almost 9:10 now. Okay, so now moving to the next topic or next program, that is, let me comment from here to end. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, till here, right? Okay, no issues. Still we are getting one error. Okay, till here, right? I am getting that error. Okay, two open braces. Yeah, that's the reason why. Okay, no issues. So now I'm going to tell you how to find out from a given string how many vowels or digits or white spaces are present. Okay, so for that also I need to initialize one string here, that is for example, this is Selenium tech automation. Okay, tech automation followed by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, tech automation followed by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So next what is our next one? This is one string. Okay, so our next one is I want to find out the vowels as well here from the given. Okay, from the given one, that is string. Okay, so here I want to find out how many vowels are there, right? So initially I will take it as 0. So later I want to find how many digits as well. So that one also I am taking as 0. And how many white spaces are there, that is blanks I can mention here. So here that is 0. Okay, sorry, I mentioned here semicolon, that's why it is giving us error. Okay, my mind is completely absent today. Okay, so now we initialize two integer of data type variables, that is vowels, digits and blanks. In the given string, is there any vowels are present? I want to verify. Is there are any integer values are available? I want to verify. Is there are any white spaces in between this given string? I want to verify. Means I want to find out. Okay, and I am going to print all the gathered information in the console output. Okay, using of sysO statement. So later, okay, later I am going to use one character also. Okay, I am going to initialize one character variable, that is ch. What it is telling? Sorry. Okay, sorry, it is small, right? Okay, so now I am going to use one for loop here. Okay, now I am going to use one for loop here, that is starting from 0. Int I equals to, which is starting from 0, then I less than, then I less than, then I less than str dot length, getting the length of the given string, that is Selenium tech automation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I am storing into some I variable. Okay, so then I am going to do some incrementation. Okay, then then I am going to write here. So to find out how many digits or vowels or integer values are available in the present in the given string, means I want to get it from the caret of method. Okay, with the help of caret method I can go and get that specified character from the given string, right? So yesterday we have discussed about this method, that is okay, that is str dot caret of method. Caret of method, what does it will do? You can see here, returns the char value at the specified index. Okay, returns the char value at the specified index value. So what is our index value here? Which will start from the 0. Okay, which will start from t here. Okay, so that's why I'm keeping as I here. So once this is done, so now I am going to use one conditional statement, that is if condition. Okay, if ch is containing, if ch is containing a, okay, if ch is containing a, or ch is, okay, ch is containing a, or ch is containing, not containing, equals. Okay, if ch is equals to capital A, that is vowels, right? We are discussing. Yeah, if ch is equals of, okay, equals of e, okay, equals of e. So then again, for all the vowels we are going to mention like this. Okay, ch equals to, capital E. So followed by one more operator, that is ch equals to I. Okay, so here I forget to give one double quote. Okay, so here we are comparing. Okay, we are not comparing with any object. Now we are comparing with the strings only, so that's why I am taking here double equals to. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about this already, what is the difference between equals method and this equals operator. Okay, so once this is done, I am going to verify for remaining also, that is ch double equals to of the first one here is, now we done with a e I. Now our character here is I, sorry, I. Okay, so now our next character here is, next vowel here is, what is our next vowel? That is ch double equals to of small o. These are all vowels, right? These are vowels, not consonants, right? These are all vowels. These are not a constant, I mean constants or consonants, not, sorry, vowels and consonants, right? So ch double equals to, what is our next one? Which letter is okay, capital O, right? So first letter will be the small letter, then ch double equals to of u. Okay, u. These are all vowels, not constants. Okay, next one here is ch double equals of capital U. Okay, so now what I did here, if what happened, yeah, what happened here, ch, yeah, okay. So if my given character is containing a or capital A or small e or capital E, likewise these are all vowels only, but with different cases, that is uppercase and lower case. Okay, if everything is matching, what I need to do, I want to increment. Okay, I want to increment here. Initially we mentioned here vowels as 0, right? Vowels as 0. This time if this condition is satisfied, my vowels will become plus plus, right? That is vowels, okay, vowels plus plus, right? Vowels plus plus. Okay, if this condition is satisfied here, it will comes inside the loop, that is if condition, then this vowels, that is 0, will become 1. Okay, so if not, okay, if not, what else, that is else if condition. Okay, that is else if condition of that is else if condition of character. Okay, that is character, chara, character dot is digit, you can see here is digit, right, of ch. It is little bit tricky to understand, I will explain you after this completion of writing. Okay, else if digits, okay, what we have, digits plus plus here. Okay, else if digits plus plus. Okay, else if digits plus plus, then we have one more else if condition we are going to use here, that is else if character. I will explain you it in clear way, guys, please wait for some time. Character dot is white spaces also is there. There is one more method that is called as white spaces. It will verify for this one as well. Okay, if not, do my blanks, that is blanks plus plus. Okay, correct only, right? Blanks plus plus. Why it is giving error? Okay, here I mention it with different way, blanks. Okay, and then we will go to here. Okay, I don't know, there is some closing and opening brackets issue. So once this is done, where it is closing, this if condition, and this is for next for loop, and what is expecting, okay, it is expecting one more. What, these are becoming really difficult, guys. Syntax error, where I am getting this error, guys, I am not getting properly. What happened? Okay, two brackets open and two brackets closed below, and one is if condition and the other one is that one. Or else what I will do, I will delete this one and this one as well. Okay, so now it went, right? So without using flower brackets I am doing now. Okay, so now let me explain you here in a clear way. So once this step is completed, so now I am going to print. Okay, now I am going to print as vowels. Okay, vowels are, okay, vowels are what I am using here, vowels, right? Vowels. Okay, vowels. So next let me take inside this. I don't know whether it is possible or not. Let me give some try here. After that vowels we are using some digits, right? Digits are okay, digits are. Next one here is, what is our next one after digits? This is about blanks, right? I'm forgetting everything here. Okay, now it went, right? Yeah, the same line only I am printing. Okay, don't get confused here. So inside this I'm going to write blanks, sorry, blanks are. Okay, BLA in case what happening. Okay, let me minimize something. System.out.println, okay, sorry, yeah, println of blanks, right? Okay, so now everything is completed. What I'm doing, yeah, system.out.println vowels are this one. Now I don't want the last and front semicolons. Yeah, now it's clear, right? So now let me execute. You can see there are total 13 vowels and digits are 7 digits and blanks are 7 spaces. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, sorry, 5 blanks are there. In between this and D is 1 blank, E is and Selenium 1 more blank, S and T 3, T and D 4, A and 1 5. Okay. Yeah guys, now I am going to explain. So first what I did here, first I did some string str equals to, I mentioned some string with the help of string literal concept. Okay, so this time it will go and store it into some constant pool area. Okay, so what I did next, I initialized some integer variables such as vowels, digits and blanks. So why I took integer variables here means we need to count how many are there, right? So that's why I used here integer of data type variable. So now I want to count each and every character particular, I mean present in this particular string, right? So how we can count means with the help of character only, because we are going to count each and every character presented in this string, but we need to count, right? So that's why I am considering this as character by character. So that's why I am using here character data type variable, that is ch. So after that I am using for loop. So in the first for loop, I mean inside this for loop, what I am telling, integer I equals to 0, I less than str dot length. Okay, so I will print you that length as well here. What is our given string length? Okay, string length is, okay, string length is, okay, so str dot length, okay, str dot length. Okay, so now I am printing the length as well. Let me execute so that you can easily understand. Okay, so the total length of the given string is 39. Okay, if we count this given string is 39. Okay, so next what I am doing, I am counting, right? all the blanks or digits are vowels. So that's why I'm taking here integer data type variable of vowels, digits and blanks. Okay, so then if I want to count means how we can count, we need to count from each and every index value. So that's why I'm taking here as character variable. So after this I am taking one for loop here. So inside that for loop I am starting from 0th value, that is from t up to 39. Okay, so here 39 is less than the 0, right? 0 is less than 39. So then what it will do, it will go inside this for loop. Okay, it will go inside this for loop and it will start assigning the each and every character with the help of caret of I. So with the help of caret of I means I am going to get that particular specified character with the help of index value. Okay, then I am going to store it inside this character. As I mentioned, we are going to count as per the character only, right? If I want to count how many characters are present means how we can count one by one. So that's why I mentioned here character data type. After that I am assigning the specified, whatever the specified index value we are getting, I am storing inside this character data type variable. So then what I am doing, I am doing some conditional statements here, that is if my character, that is whatever I am getting, right, with the help of caret of I method. So I am going to compare with the help of this equals. Okay, with the help of this equals I am going to compare for each and every index value present inside this string, that is how many vowels are there, how many constants are, how many vowels are there, first I am checking. Once this is done, okay, once this step got completed, so again this vowels will increment by 1, again this for loop will starts from I equals to 1. So likewise how many vowels are available, it will keep on continue for checking. So once this condition is satisfied, then it will go to the inside of digits. Okay, we are not telling here to fail, we are continuing. So that's why I am telling here else if block. If this condition met or not met also, I am moving to the next condition, that is else if I mentioned else, then only your if condition will fail, then else condition will execute, but I am not doing that way. I am continuing with the remaining also, that is with the help of character class I am going to find the given string whether it is containing any digits or not by counting each and every character. Okay, so what we are mentioning here, caret of I. So in the same way for white spaces also. Okay, in the same way for white spaces also I am counting how many white spaces are there. Once this condition is satisfied means this blanks will become 1 2 3 4 5. As of now 5 are there. If it is incrementing by 1, that is if it is becoming 6 means again it will come here and it will terminate the execution here. So then it will print you all the values. Println of vowels are, what is our vowels here, which are going to store here. Okay, so then system.out.println of digits, whatever the digits you are getting here I am printing all these, whatever the blanks you are getting here I am printing all these here. Okay, in this line. So in this way we can find how many digits or vowels or blanks are present. Okay, how many digits or vowels or blanks are present. If you can count here I, what are the different vowels are present, I is one vowel. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so here the vowels are what are the vowels, I. Okay, I, E, I, U, E, A, U, O, A, I, O. Okay, if you can count all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, right? Totally 13 vowels we are getting. Okay, then coming to the white spaces, how many white spaces are there, 1 2, after this 3, after this 4, after this 5. Then how many digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7. Okay, there are total 7 numbers are available, that is 7 digits are present inside this string. This is how we can count how many digits or how many vowels and how many blanks are present in the given string. Okay, so this is how we can count, guys. If you have any questions still, please let me know from the live chat. Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Till now everyone is clear or not? Please let me know from the live chat, please, guys. Your response will count here. Please let me know from the live chat. Are you clear till this point or not? I'm too tired, guys, today actually. Are you clear till this point, Arvind Kumar and remaining people who are watching currently? Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Guys, are you clear up to this point or not? Please let me know from the live chat so that we can proceed accordingly, whether to continue or not. So suggest me, Arvind Kumar. Can I close the session today? Is it okay for you or not? Please let me know. Please let me know, Arvind Kumar. So today only we have time to discuss about the programs. What are the different programs are which are going to asking during your interviews. Okay, that's why I covered these programs only, because for time not supporting today means I don't have enough time to conduct this session, but I tried my best to do conduct, and at least I can show you all these programs. Please let me know from the live chat how it will be. Okay, come on, Arvind Kumar, if you have any queries not only about the concepts what we are discussing currently, if you have any queries, please let me know from the live chat. So can we stop here or not? Also you can let me know. Okay, please, which will helps me a lot, whether to continue or to discontinue, or we can meet on tomorrow as well, no problem. As tomorrow is Friday, we will have enough time to connect with you people. Yeah, thank you so much, Arvind Kumar. And remaining also the people who joined when I started right before. So sorry, extremely sorry for that, guys, because after conducted the session, so I got some important updates, so that's why I took some time to start the session. Okay, so that's why I need to take some break now, because today I have full work, so I don't have time to spend at least outside as well. So please try to understand, guys. Tomorrow we will connect, no problem. Sorry for that, extremely sorry for that inconvenience from my end. Okay, actually I will start the live session before 5 minutes only, because enough people will join. They will get some notifications from YouTube, so that they will join our session. So that's why I will take 5 to 10 minutes of time before starting the session. So I thought in the same way, but unfortunately that time that 10 minutes got extended to 20 more minutes, total of half an hour. I am extremely sorry for that. It happened. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that. You can feel my throat also not supporting now to speak. At least it is telling take some break. My body is telling take some break and continue on tomorrow. Please try to understand my problem. Tomorrow we will definitely continue with the remaining concepts what are all we have. Okay, please, guys. Okay, so is it okay now? I am going to end this session now. Please try to understand. We will connect on tomorrow with brief session along with the brief concepts. Okay, yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Arvind Kumar. Have a nice day. Take care. Good night to all. Thank you so much for visiting the channel and live session today. how to get mock interview session from user. Actually, yeah, Arvind Kumar, actually I have discussed earlier as well the same, the question what you have asked, right? So before that only I have planned to conduct some mock interviews actually, okay, because of some restrictions. Like if I want to conduct some mock interviews means I need to get some Zoom licensed version application from Microsoft, okay. So I can able to get by spending some money, whether it will be 5k or 10k for the specified period, okay. So I can able to buy it for myself and for you people. But whenever I'm planning to take, or whenever I'm going to conduct the sessions, so I am not sure how many people are going to join after buying that particular Zoom application licensed version, okay. So if I don't get enough people support for those mock interviews, my license whatever I am taking, right, so that is going to be expired if no people join. That is where I am concerning about. Actually I have planned as well earlier about this one, but unfortunately I am not getting proper response from you people. So that's the reason why again I changed my decision. Once if I get sufficient support, sufficient subscribers, sufficient people where our videos will get more popular, so then only I can go and buy that particular licensed version of Zoom application. Then I can configure into our YouTube live stream, okay, so that you people can join to that session. If not for live stream, I can first record the session, then I will upload in our channel, okay. That is my plan actually. But due to some restrictions or some reasons, I am not planning to buy that product now, okay. If the support whatever you people are showing, right, if this will continue in upcoming days as well until 1000 subscribers, so once if we reach 1k subscribers, accordingly our videos will get more popular, so that enough people will reach all our concept, so that they will also attend for all our mock interviews what we are going to plan, okay. That's the reason why only I am not taking mock interviews currently. If everything permits, if everything is allowing means, then I am not going to stop this conducting mock interview sessions. I will definitely come forward and definitely come some paste, I mean put some posts from YouTube community to make you people aware about these mock interviews in upcoming days, okay. So that is how my plan on that particular mock interviews. It's a good question, Arvind Kumar, I am really appreciating you, but I need some more support, okay. So then only I am planning to get this Zoom application where we can do some mock interviews. Without that we cannot able to conduct all these mock interviews. If anything is there, please let me know from the live chat, okay. Are you getting my point, Arvind Kumar? Why I am not taking these mock interviews as of now, okay. I hope it clears your question at least, okay. Then yeah, thank you so much the people who liked our live session, and also the people who are watching currently, the people who joined before me. I am once again I am telling extremely sorry for you people. I am little bit late today, okay. So that's the reason, okay. Please try to understand, sometime it will happen at least per week 1 day or 2 days, okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, thank you so much, Arvind Kumar. So I hope you are continuing all our session by learning and by practicing at least, so that you will get some good knowledge about automation testing and also core Java related concept. Please, 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 I am telling for new subscribers, if you are there from the live chat, please subscribe to my channel, and also please share our videos to our friends or colleagues, so that they will also aware about all the concepts what we are discussing currently. At least they will also get some help from my end as well, and also from your end as well. Please do that, guys. Please do a favor for me. I am putting all my efforts to give you the enough content, okay. Please try to understand and try to support our channel and our videos with your like, subscribe and share, which will helps me a lot to do more videos in upcoming days. Please try to understand, guys, okay. So that's all it for now. We will connect on tomorrow. Okay. So and also we can have Saturday and Sunday also we have enough sessions. And also I'm going to discuss about more interview questions and more concepts from both manual testing, automation testing and Java concepts as well. There will be more content in upcoming days. Please don't miss out any concept from my channel. Okay. Please, if you have any queries also, you can post your queries or comments under the comment section to that particular video, so that you will also get some knowledge, and also I will respond to you at the same time whenever I am receiving some notification, right, saying that comment added. So on the same day, same time, I am going to mention you the reply along with the solution. Okay, based upon the question what you have asked. Thank you so much guys. I want to continue the session, but I'm not able to sit more than 9 hours now. You can understand where I am currently. Okay, what is my position, what is my situation now. I'm continuously sitting from morning 9:30 to till this time. Okay, please try to understand. We will connect on tomorrow session. Okay, we will continue the same session where we left it off for now. Okay, thank you so much Arvind Kumar and Janani Narsimhan, and remaining people like Krishnaya, Ganesh Krishna and everyone. I am really thanking you all, each and everyone, name by name. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys.